King Piers out here in Independence, encasing our piers in high-strength concrete. This customer is a great customer. Worked with us real well. Communication was flawless. I wanted to show Brian, you know, our pier system, the King Pier, is what raises the footing, but what keeps the footing there is the high-strength concrete backfill, 4,000 PSI concrete, 100% cement, no fly ash, reinforced with Buckeye fiber. And we bring it out a 5-inch slump and we vibrate it to where it's encased around the piers. On this project here, I told the homeowner, Brian, who's standing right there, to show him the strength of our piers. We had this piered up Friday. So it's sat here and he's watched his house and everything is back to where it was before it settled. Front door opens perfect. We got 3 piers over around the front porch and one over there in the middle by the garages. One back here on the back west wall. That one's going to be hard. Not easy. For all your foundation repair needs, if your home is sinking due to this drought, give us a call, 816-521-8915. You can always go to our website, kingpiers.com.